So in this question we have given a reaction of inorganic sulfide X with dilute H2SO4 generates a compound Y. So the reaction of Y with NaOH gives X. So further the reaction of X with Y and water affords compound Z. So Y and Z are repeated respectively are. We have to find the compound Y and Z. So we will do the steps as followed. We will add dilute H2SO4 in compound X. We will get this. And reaction of NaOH with Y compound gives this. And reaction of this with SO2 plus H2 gives Z. So Y compound with SO2 and Z compound is NaHSO3.